In this video, we will show you how to do eccentric operation. Okay, so eccentric operation, probably you might be knowing the applications of this. The best example is in your course kinematics of machines. There you must have studied about the cams. Okay, so the one best example of cam is operating of the inlet and outlet valves in the engine. Okay, so in order to move that, the cams are the one that is used. Okay, so those such type of eccentric designs can be fabricated by using the lathe. Okay, so now we will show you how to do that eccentric turning. Okay, so there is a lots of difference between the way how you do a plain turning operation and this eccentric turning operation. Okay, so in order to do these eccentric operation, so we have taken the workpiece with the diameter of 24.6 mm. Okay, so once you reduce the diameter to the to 24.6, later you have to bring the tool near to the surface of a workpiece. It should be in contact with the workpiece. Okay, and you can see how the sides of the tool should completely touch the workpiece. Okay, so once that part of the tool is touching the workpiece, you have to set to 0. You can see now. Okay, it has been set to 0. Once it has been set, so after setting to 0, you have to maintain a 2 mm gap between the tool and the workpiece. Okay, so for that you have to rotate like this. You have to maintain a gap of 2 mm between the tool and the workpiece. Okay, so the detailed sketch of this eccentric turning is available in your manual, in the page number 39. You can see they have mentioned that 2 mm gap has to be maintained. Okay, so that setting has been done now. After that, this has to be tightened other side. You are just doing a offset, that's it. Okay, so if the axis is proper, you will be getting a plain turning. If the axis is offset by 2 mm, okay, the operation will become eccentric turning operation. Okay, so to make that offset of 2 mm, in the chuck, one side of the portion has to be loosened and the other side has to be tightened. Okay, you can see we had set a gap of 2 mm. Now the workpiece is in contact with the tool. That means it is now been offset to a distance of 2 mm. See, now you can see there's a wobbling, right? So when you are doing a plain turning operation, the workpiece should not wobble like this. Okay, the reason why it is wobbling, because we have offset the axis for a distance of 2 mm. So because of that offset, the workpiece will be wobbling. So when you do these plain turning operation, it will be like a eccentric turn. Okay, so feed has to be given now. After a setting of all these things, like reducing the diameter to 24.6 mm, bringing a tool contact to the workpiece, setting to 0, then maintaining a gap of 2 mm, then doing offset axis of 2 mm. Once everything is done, you can start the machine and you can do operation. Okay, so you can see now. So you can see that offset what you did for a two distance of 2 mm. You can see that offset here. Okay, so like that these eccentric turning will be done by using a lathe. The process is quite simple. You just need to give a offset according to the required dimension. That offsetting can be done by using this forja chuck. That is, one side you have to loose, other side you have to tight. So like that when you do, the workpiece will be given offset according to the dimension. So by doing a normal turning, you will be actually doing a plane turning operation since the axis is offsetted.